Welcome to the Student Planning video tutorial series. In this video, you will be introduced to the online self-service tool called Student Planning. This tool will serve as a roadmap to assist you in completing your degree at Saginaw Valley State University. As you watch this initial video, you will learn the main features of student planning and how to access and navigate the site. Student planning has multiple features including the ability to track your progress towards fulfilling your degree requirements, communication with your advisor or advisors, course planning, schedule building, and registering for classes. All of these features will be covered in more detail in the videos following this introduction. To get started, log into your My SVSU account. From the home screen, scroll down to the self-service box. Click on Students, My Academic Profile, then Student Planning. This will open up a new tab and take you to the home page for the Student Planning site. On the home page, you will have two options: View your progress and plan your degree and register for classes. My Progress is where you can view a summary of your progress towards your degree. This page is commonly referred to as your degree audit. Each requirement of your degree audit will be listed in sections starting with basic skills, general education, upper division credits, major, minor, and other courses. The status of each section will either be green, completed, yellow, in progress, or red, not started. The Plan and Schedule tab shows your planned and scheduled courses in either a schedule format or timeline. This is where you will prepare for registration by planning your courses and registering them. The Advising tab is available for you to communicate with your assigned advisor. Notes can be made for future advising sessions, but keep in mind the advisor is not notified of these notes or changes on your account. The course catalog can be directly accessed through Student Planning. In this tab, you can search for courses and add them to your plan. You will be able to search by department and use filters to find courses. Test Summary is where you can see any available information about admissions tests, such as SAT or ACT scores, and placement tests. The Unofficial Transcript tab allows you to view your academic record. Please note this document is unofficial and should not replace the official signed and sealed transcript provided by the registrar. Pay attention to any notifications in the upper right-hand corner for messages, confirmation of registration, and any indications of account holds. These will appear when you first log in or complete any actions. Continue on to the next tutorial to learn the important steps on how to add courses to your plan. If you have any questions, please contact the Academic Advisement Center as listed on the screen.